NDTV. And you're watching NDTV Profit.
मैं हूँ बाबा।
नमस्ते, और मैं हूँ इनकी पत्नी चमेली।
आज का कार्यक्रम शुरू करते हैं।
इस प्रोग्राम पे आप मिलेंगे बहुत सारे पात्रों से, जैसे रमेश चंद्र उसके सुखी परिवार से,
और इसके साथ ही श्यामकली भैंसिया से, जो अपने साथी का इंतजार कर रही है,
और मेरी कुछ सहेलियों से, जो आजकल खाना बनाने से भी नहीं कतराती।
हाँ, तालियां तालियां।
हाँ बोलिए, देखिए टीका लगवाती। अच्छा अच्छा, देखिए आपके बच्चे की उम्र कितनी है?
रोटी खोटी ना कर ले, बनी ना दे। अरे ताऊ काय से खाई यार।
It's time for me to tell you a new story on this week's Beyond Business, a program that goes beyond the boardrooms, beyond the bottom lines, a program that brings to you stories of human initiatives such as these. The puppets were just a small part of a very large story that touches the lives of hundreds of people living in this remote, almost untouched place in the Rohilkhand area of Uttar Pradesh. On this week's Beyond Business, we profile some of the community activities of one of India's leading manufacturers of chemicals, fertilizers and food additives, Tata Chemicals Limited. Roughly 25 years ago, the company started taking a closer look at some of the places where their industrial plants are located. Mithapur in Gujarat, Haldia in West Bengal, and the very place we are in right now, Babrala in Uttar Pradesh. With the sole idea of improving the lives of the communities that live in these places, Tata Chemicals Society for Rural Development, or TCSRD, was born. Over the next half hour, we're going to zoom in on three main topics. We're going to try and gauge the impact that the TCSRD program has had on the number of families living in and around Babrala. But the very first chapter of this story starts right here, right now.
उमरपाल और लेखराज हिसाब किताब लेखा जोखा जो है आपके समूह का करीब 85,500 रुपये इकट्ठा आपका हो चुका है।
मेरा नाम सतराम। हम पहले मान लें वही खेतीबाड़ी करते थे। खेतीबाड़ी में मान लें हमें ऐसी कोई खास बचत मालूम नहीं पड़ी। हमारे बच्चे भी परेशान रहते, हम भी परेशान ही रहते।
86,500 में अगर सभी सदस्य सहमत हों तो मधुमक्खी का काम डाल दो, 10-15 डिब्बे जो भी हैं वो लेकर के चलता रहेगा। बच्चों को कोई ज़रूरत होती है अपनी, और हम तुम में से कोई नहीं है तो वो अपने समूह से अपनी जरूरत पूरी कर सकते हैं।
सब लोगों की पड़ेगी तो बराबर ही, या एक की 200 रुपये महीने की पड़ेगी, सबकी 200 रुपये महीने की पड़ेगी।
मेरा नाम बनवारी लाल है। हमारे गांव में एक लेडीज़ों का मतलब समूह चल रहा था, उनसे हमें उनको देख करके उनकी बढ़ोतरी मालूम पड़ी, हमें अच्छी पैदावार, तो उनसे हमें यह शिक्षा मिली कि इस समूह को मतलब हम भी चलाएं, क्योंकि हम आगे बढ़ें, आगे बढ़ करके हम भी तरक्की पाएँ।
एक चीज़ और है उसमें।
नेम सिंह जी, आप क्या करें, मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा।
हम अपने समूह के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं।
तो क्या बातचीत हो रही है यहाँ पे?
ये जैसे हमने मासिक किस्त मासिक बचत अपनी और ऋण किस्त जमा किए हैं। हमारे पास पैसा जमा हुआ है हमारा 15,170 रुपये। इसमें से हम 10,500 रुपये 2 सदस्यों को दे चुके हैं।
आपको इतना सारा पैसा कैसा मिला? हर सदस्य कितना देता है?
100 रुपये
मासिक।
जी
ठीक है, तो एक महीने में 2,000 हो गया।
एक महीने में 2,000। अगर महाजन के पास हम जाते हैं तो हमें 5 रुपये सैकड़ा प्रति महीने देना पड़ता है, 6 रुपये भी देना पड़ जाता है, 7 रुपये महीने भी देना पड़ जाता है। इसीलिए हमने ये समूह चालू किया है अपना, कि अपने पैसे से अपना काम चलता है, पहली बात। दूसरी बात, ब्याज हमको बहुत कम देना पड़ता है, 2 रुपये सैकड़ा प्रति महीने, यानी 24%। बैंकों के हिसाब से तो ज़्यादा है, लेकिन उसमें अगर हम 24% ब्याज दे रहे हैं तो उसमें हमारा भी शेयर है। दूसरी बात, हमारा काम समय पर अपना चल रहा है। तो बीज वो सरकारी केंद्र से, सरकारी संस्थान से दो। प्राइवेट का बीज जो है वो दुकानदार नकली खाद और बीज मिला देते। इसलिए जब भी बीज लेने जाओ किसी भी दुकान से तो रसीद लेना नहीं।
तो तैयार हैं इस बात क्या है, कोई गलत शब्द नहीं कहना, सही शब्द कहना। ये है, ये लग रहा है, ये आवाज़ कैच कर रहा है, हमारी गंदी संदी आवाज़ तुरंत कैच करके वहाँ दे रहा है।
All right, this is definitely a meeting to which I'm not invited to. A male self-help group session is in full progress, and talking to me a little more about it is Rishi Pathania. He's the Assistant Manager, Community Initiatives in Babrala. Rishi, thanks a lot for talking to us. We see a bunch of men coming together, sitting and talking about what?
This is a male self-help group meeting that's in progress. They're talking about their monthly saving as well as interloaning process. That's a process that's going on.
So how did the concept of male SHGs come about in Babrala?
It's 2 years back that this men of this villages approached us. They wanted to form a male self-help group because they were very motivated from the female self-help group that was working there, and they could see the benefit that female self-help group has got from the group itself. You see, it took us almost 2 years to come to this number because it's very difficult to form male self-help group, and we have got 54 female SHGs with us, and it's still way behind the numbers that we have got in female self-help group, female SHGs with us. See, it's not only the monetary benefit that they get from this project, it's also the social interaction, as you can see, that's taking place. That's also very important for any village surrounding. And moreover, they get a platform and an opportunity to discuss anything related to their group, to their village, and to their society also. So maybe it's a good initiative for us to have an economic and social benefit also.
I managed to attend a male self-help group meeting, but once the meeting got over, I couldn't really resist but to come and follow the president back home. Not really to meet him and chat with him, but more so to talk to his wife, because at the end of the day, if a man is part of a self-help group, the people at Tata Chemicals tell us that the biggest beneficiary becomes the wife. जब आपके पति एक समूह के सदस्य बन गए तो आपको कैसा महसूस हुआ, क्या महसूस हुआ?
अच्छा हुआ।
4 बच्चों को खाना पिलाना, पढ़ाना, उस सब के लिए खर्चा ठीक था कि नहीं?
जब हम पढ़े ना रहे, बच्चे बाहर हैं हमारे, 2 बच्चे हैं, लड़की है 10 साल, वो ये सबसे बड़ी। जब हमारे बच्चे ही ना आए तो पढ़ा कहाँ से? अब हम पढ़े होंगे।
समूह से पहले अगर आपको पैसों की दिक्कत होती तो कहाँ से मिलती आपको?
आपको पैसे ले आवते काबर नहीं नहाने, परेशानी तो परेशानी होते, अब परेशानी कुछ नहीं, अब अपने कर लेते हैं ऐसे।
तो अब परिवार में क्या परिवर्तन आया है, बताइए।
क्योंकि आज मान लो हमारे बच्चे के लिए कापी नहीं है, किताब नहीं है, किसी भी तरह की कोई दिक्कत है तो बच्चे के लिए पूर्ण तरह से अच्छी ढंग से पढ़ा सकते हैं, अच्छे स्कूलों में भेज सकते हैं, अच्छे ढंग से मान लो खान पान कर सकते हैं बच्चों का।
हमारा लड़का धनारी पढ़े रहो, हम तो पैसा ना हो जब तो कैसे पढ़ा ले दे। अब अपन पैसा
इस समय जो है कि हमारे बच्चे की फीस 500 रुपये महीने खर्च हो जाता है, लेकिन आज हमारे पास पैसा है तो हम पढ़ा सकते हैं, लेकिन उस समय पैसा नहीं था, हमें आमदनी नहीं थी तो उस समय क्या पढ़ा सकते थे।
भविष्य के लिए आप क्या सोच रही हैं अपने बच्चों के लिए?
आप क्या सोच रहे हैं? ये सोच रहा है कि हमारे बच्चे पढ़े लिखे जाएं, अच्छी तरह थे। और क्या सोच रहा?
आप महीने के लिए एक महीने के लिए 100 रुपए देते हैं। क्या ये रकम बहुत बड़ा है?
नहीं तो बड़ा तो कुछ नहीं है।
Wake up in Hong Kong. Every morning at 9 a.m., live reports from the Hong Kong Stock Exchange.
Live from Hong Kong, this is NDTV Profit, bringing you the Asian perspective.
Find out what's stirring China and the Asian tigers.
This is going to be volatile for the rest of this year.
And how it'll affect India and you. China and the Asian tigers. Weekdays at 9 a.m., only on NDTV Profit.
To truly maximize investment opportunity, ABN AMRO Van Gogh Preferred Banking.
जिंदगी यादों की लड़ी है, लम्हों से जुड़ी है, मासूम लम्हे संभाल लेना चाहिए, है ना? गुजरे लम्हे इन्हें अंदर बुला लेना चाहिए। जिंदगी यादों की लड़ी है, लम्हों से जुड़ी है। रीडिंग टेलर, लम्हों को लिबास दे।
Introducing Toshiba's energy-efficient inverter technology air conditioners. Toshiba air conditioners.
India's largest online bookstores, NBCindia.com. 1 million titles in stock with discounts up to 40% on fictions and non-fictions.
Are you the famous Colgate 360?
Yes, I am.
Is it true you have a tongue cleaner?
Actually, it's a cheek and tongue cleaner. Colgate 360 toothbrush cleans teeth, gums, cheeks and tongue, removing more bacteria for a whole mouth clean.
You know, when I grow up, I want to have a cheek and tongue cleaner just like you.
Colgate 360 for a healthier whole mouth clean. That's why it is the only toothbrush accepted by the Indian Dental Association. Colgate, #1 brand recommended by dentists.
पहुंच गई कन्याकुमारी आराम से?
हाँ। अच्छा, दिन में एक ही बार फोन करना, नहीं तो बहुत महंगा पड़ेगा।
भूल गई क्या कि हमारे पास BSNL का कनेक्शन है?
अरे हाँ, cheapest and world best.
Fixed phone, mobile roaming or broadband connectivity, connecting people at the lowest cost. BSNL.
What's going on in the world?
Every day, 19 million flowers are auctioned off.
Make it your business.
20% of people conducting business during tea time.
One show takes you to different countries.
Visitors to the capital Tehran find it a modern, dynamic city.
So you discover business everywhere.
We wake up every day with very smart competitors.
Go global. World Business. Saturday night at 10 on NDTV Profit.
Expressing strong emotions like hate, jealousy, anger are taboo in many families. So too sexuality.
Maybe we discuss it like, indirectly, but not really directly,
Because we don't talk about it, it goes into hiding and then it becomes an area of fascination also and sometimes obsession.
One Life to Love. Friday night at 7 on NDTV Profit.
Situated on the Ganga Ghat, Babrala is mainly an agricultural area. Nearly 80% of the people who live here belong to a community called Yadavas, traditionally known for farming and animal husbandry. But there were a few problems. Problems like low milk production, soil fertility, and inadequate agricultural productivity. That's why Tata Chemicals Society for Rural Development, or TCSRD, put together a program on natural resource management. And a very important part of this program was to improve animal husbandry for the farmers in this region. This is a cattle shed in a village called Mehua Hasanganj. This is one of the 5 villages that TCSRD reaches out to when it comes to implementing animal husbandry practices. Talking to us a little more about this topic is Kapil Mehen. He's the COO of the fertilizers business at Tata Chemicals Limited. Thank you so much, Mr. Mehen, for joining us on Beyond Business.
My pleasure.
It's an amazing thing that you all are trying to promote animal husbandry in what seems to be a very agrarian society where farming seems to be the primary source of income for a lot of people over here. So why animal husbandry?
You're absolutely right when you say that agriculture is the mainstay of these areas. But I think we need to go back a bit back into the history. This place is the land of Lord Krishna. And Lord Krishna was a Yadav, and this is the land of Yadavs. And Yadavs love animals. They love cows. They love milch animals. And rearing of cattle is natural to these people. And over a period of time, it has reared families. Now I think it has the potential to provide economic benefit to these villagers. A buffalo here used to give about 5 to 6 liters of milk a day. With the introduction of the Murrah variety of breed of buffaloes, that has gone to 10 to 12 liters. So overnight, you have doubling of productivity from the same resource. And to provide market linkages, we worked with the UP government's Dairy Cooperative Federation, and we have now milk collection centers in all these 5 villages. We have already, I think, about 20% of the cattle population of these villages have been changed over to high-yielding Murrah buffaloes. And we have trained now paravets, we have trained some Pashu Palak. We have a scheme where we train some local village youth to take care of them. So it's, the whole effort is that it must be sustainable, and there must be capability building in these people itself, and that's what really is driving it.
What are the financial inputs or the financial assistance you have given such farmers when it comes to animal husbandry?
Well, our effort is always to provide some sort of a seed capital support, some sort of a venture capital supports, basically around building capabilities. We don't give direct doles. We have not provided them everything that we come here and we will do everything. They have to provide their shramdan. They have to provide their own labor inputs.
Meet Shamkali the buffalo and his owner Murari too. Ever since Murari got his high-yielding variety of buffalo a year ago, this has been his favorite pastime, taking care of Shamkali, which has given him so much joy and money over the past year.
साल भर हुआ है साहब, उसको हमको बहुत फायदा, उससे भैंसे हमारे नस्लें भी बदली जाएंगी उससे। और 10,000 रुपये के लिए हमने 21,000 रुपये उसके लग चुके हैं, और दूध भी अच्छा देती है सर। मैं बहुत भाग्यशाली हूँ, मेरे पास एक मुर्रा भैंस है और मुझको अच्छा पैदाश होती है भैंसों से। और मेरे पड़ोसियों के पास बिरनामी सिंह, उनके पास देसी भैंसियाँ हैं, उनको कम पैदा होती है।
हम तो खेती बाड़ी करते हैं, देसी भैंस रखते हैं, दूध पीने के लिए कम कीमत में आती है सब। ज़्यादा कीमत की रखने की मुर्रा भैंस लाख हमारी औकात नहीं है, नहीं पैसा है, नहीं हम ले सकते हैं। इसके लिए हम देसी भैंस रखते हैं कम कीमत की। भविष्य के लिए तो मुझे यही इच्छा कि मुझे परमात्मा कर देता और कहीं से सहारा मिल जाता तो मैं मुर्रा भैंस ले सकता। मेरा भविष्य तो ये है।
At the end of the week, track the moves the markets made, so you know what lies ahead. Special guests take you back.
Foreign fund flows have been very, very strong. So that has really kept the market momentum going.
And then look forward to tell you what to expect.
We're not going to see major corrections or major drawbacks in these markets.
That's the word on the street.
D Street this week with Shaili Chopra. Saturday night at 9 on NDTV Profit.
सत श्री अकाल।
वणक्कम सामी।
नमस्कार।
नमस्कार।
Salam alaikum.
Millions of satisfied customers. Why not you be one? Syndicate Bank, your faithful and friendly financial partner.
मैच अपनी पसंद के एंगल से देखना हो तो इतनी तकलीफ क्यों? अब टाटा स्काई सैटेलाइट टीवी के एक्टिव स्पॉट्स पे घर बैठे आप एंगल बदल बदल कर मैच देख सकते हैं। टाटा स्काई, इसको लगा डाला तो लाइफ जिंगा लाला।
जब से बातों में रंग आ गए हैं, रंग छा गए हैं, रंग आ गए हैं, बातों बातों।
Bring color to life this festive season with Reliance Color mobile phones.
Steel is in.
Then why isn't it in your pocket?
Tell them.
Now steel is in. Vector Steel from Parker, the sign of style.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, it's amore. When the world seems to shine like you had too much wine, it's amore. It's the way you make me feel, Monte Carlo.
60 minutes, jam-packed with the day's top business stories.
It was a choppy day, but trends really in favor of old economy.
And news from markets all over the world.
Markets are moving from strength to strength.
We come to you live from the Nasdaq market side.
Your business is our business.
Looks like the FIs have finally changed their minds about the Indian markets.
There's a lot of room for the stock markets to go up.
How can you not profit at night? Weeknights at 9 on NDTV Profit. Profit at Night, brought to you by Toshiba Notebook PC. Raymond, the complete man. And the smooth and stylish Chevrolet Aveo. Now that's performance.
खरीदारी के लिए जरूरी है जानकारी।
जानिए कि अपने पैसे को कैसे, कहां और किन चीजों पर खर्च किया जाए,
ताकि आपको मिल सके अपने पैसे की पूरी कीमत। पैसा वसूल शनिवार शाम 4:30 बजे NDTV प्रॉफिट पर।
There is a product out there that's just right for you. Leave it to us to shop around for you. Value for money. Sunday afternoon at 12:30. Only on NDTV Profit. Value for money. Brought to you by Asian Electronics. रोशनी ज़्यादा, बचत का फायदा।
This is extremely difficult. trying to cook with the help of a chulha which uses wood and gobar as fuel. Not only are your eyes on fire, your lungs are burning and you're constantly sweating because of the smoke that comes out from such chulhas. But did you know that millions of women across rural India still know only one way of cooking, and that's with the help of traditional chulhas such as these? It's not quite the same story for a few women in the villages of Babrala in Uttar Pradesh who've made the switch, and the right switch, to biogas.
इतनी परेशानी कि चूल्हे पर खाना बनता ना तो धुआं लगता, आँखों परेशान होती, पूरे शरीर को पसीना आता, खांसी उठती। और इसमें इतना सुख है कि खांसी नहीं उठती, पसीना नहीं आता, खाना बन जाता है, चाय बन जाती है, सब्जी बन जाती है। इसमें पैसे तो क्या कहते हैं 4-5 हज़ार खर्च है, तब गैस बनवाई।
When most of us think of air pollution, we think outdoor pollution. We think smoke, fire, sometimes toxic fumes. But not many of us realize that indoor pollution is probably one of the biggest reasons for pollution as such. Talking to us a little more about how we can prevent it, especially by using biogas plants, is Rishi Pathania. He's the Assistant Manager of Community Initiatives at Tata Chemicals. Rishi, we're sitting right in front of a biogas plant. Is this one of many over here?
No, altogether we have made 25 biogas and that's spreading across 5 villages, and we feel we have just touched tip of iceberg. This is a very small number as against what we are planning to replicate this biogas in our villages. See, the problem is this technology is new in this area, and we have to go through an approach where we are targeting early innovators and teachers who are coming forward to accept this technology. In fact, it's like now the people who are having biogas, they have started promoting this technology. So we are now in a better position.
पड़ोसी को यही बनाते हैं कि हम तो सफाई से कर लेते हैं, तुम चूल्हे पे लगे रहते हो। हमने तो एक बार पैसा खर्च कर दिया, हम तो अपने फायदा में रहते हैं, हमें धुआं ना लगता, कुछ नहीं, खाना बना देते।
3 simple ideas but with far-reaching impact, be it male self-help groups, animal husbandry or biogas plants. All these ideas can be replicated and implemented in any part of the country, in any part of the world. And as the farmers of this region tell us, all it takes is a little bit of initiative, a little bit of cooperation, and of course, a little bit of patience. But before we bring down the curtains on today's show, how can we forget our dear friends Chameli and Baba?
हाँ तो भाइयों और बहनों, कैसा लगा हमारा कार्यक्रम? किसकी कहानी अच्छी लगी आपको? रमेश